Transforming your underutilized backyard into a source of monthly rental income is one of the smartest wealth-building moves you can make today. Accessory dwelling units, commonly known as ADS or guest houses, have become a primary solution for homeowners looking to combat rising housing costs. Financing these projects can be achieved through a variety of methods, including a home equity line of credit or a specialized renovation loan. Lenders are increasingly willing to offer construction to permit financing specifically designed for homeowners. Adding these smaller secondary units to their lots, a major benefit is that many banks now allow you to count the projected rental income from the ADU to help you qualify for the financing. This additional income can often cover the entire monthly payment of the loan used to build the unit, leaving you with pure profit. You must ensure that your local zoning laws and building codes permit detached structures before you apply for any specialized mortgage product. To buy. By leveraging your existing land, you can create a high-value asset that provides both long-term equity and immediate cash flow for your family.